What is the only bird that can fly backward? A. Sparrow. B. Hummingbird. C. Eagle. D. Penguin. E. Ostrich. Correct answer is B. Hummingbird. What is the most popular sport in the world? A. Basketball. B. Baseball. C. Soccer. D. Tennis. E. Cricket. Correct answer is C. Soccer. What is the rarest blood type? A. A plus. B. O plus. C. AB. D. B. E. A. Correct answer is C. AB. Now it's time to see how well you did. How many questions did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Share and challenge your friends to see who gets the most right. Don't forget to follow us and see you in the next challenge.